Hi, I'm Cassandra McClure, creator of Lash Binder, and today we are going to be putting on our eyelashes. So this is the finished look without any mascara or eyeliner. To get started, you'll need your Lash Binder. Open the box and pull the end of the Lash Binder right out and close the box. You'll also need a pair of lashes, so find your favorite pair that fits your eye perfectly. A pair of scissors to cut your lash in case it's too long. You'll also need an eyelash curler. Mascara is another great thing to have on hand. If you apply mascara though, make sure that you do that early on, otherwise the mascara will get onto the binder. To make sure that the lash doesn't get stuck to Lash Binder, you wanna make sure that you have enough space in between the band of the lash and the actual silicone tip of the binder. If not, you might glue the lash to the binder. Look down into a mirror and tilt your chin up and keep your hand to the side and your elbow to the side so that you're not placing your hand in front of your eye so you can't see. You'll want to keep your elbow and your hand out and bring it to your eye this way over your eye so you can see yourself clearly looking down into a mirror that's very close so that you can see all the details. If the mirror is too far away, it might be a little bit more difficult and it's more for advanced users. You can also use a handheld mirror. You'll want to look down with your chin tilted slightly forward. So the trick when applying glue with Lash Binder is to make sure that you are using the binder facing down. And why that is because if you are to put the glue on like this, the glue might spill onto the lash and onto the binder. Gently push the glue out and apply a thin line of glue along the band, making sure to coat the entire band. It's just best to wait as long as you can before applying the glue. And then push the binder back and forth gently and release. Opening the binder, leaving the lash adhered to the top of my lash line. And it's that easy. It really isn't very complicated if you make sure to follow these steps.